Ooh, something tinks. So the Massey 35 came with a Perkins gas, a Perkins diesel, a Continental gas. So you got to really make sure you order the right rad for it because they will not fit. Today we're going to be working on the Massey 35 and we're going to be installing a new rad. The rad is out. We got the rad off and now we're just going to transfer the shield from the old rad to the new one, and then we should be able to start installing it. So I'm trying to line up the old fan shroud and it really didn't fit very well. They have new style bolts on the either side of the rad to hold the fan shroud, so they didn't line up. So I had to mark the fan shroud for the new bolt holes and what I had to grind off to make it fit. And then we're gonna just drill new holes and fasten it to the rad. So now it fits a lot better, but the bolt holes are just slightly off. I am going to have to grind just a little bit more on some of the holes just to make it fit really nice without having to force it. The rad is installed, the fan isn't touching the shroud, everything is installed, so we can start filling this up. I like checking if the drain plug is tight. There you go. It is ready to go. We're gonna fill it up. The rad installed, she's filled up with coolant. We're gonna try to start this thing up and get the air out of it. Let's see. Ooh, something tinks. What is it hitting? Right here, I can just see it. We're gonna tap that back. Let's try that out again. What happens? Nice. Let's fire it up. Top this up a little bit more and then it should be good to go. The part number for this rad is an updated part number, so it's not quite exactly the rad that went in this tractor, and there was a little bit of tinkering that I needed to do to make this thing work, but I do think it's a reasonable amount of tinkering. Part of it is my hood got damaged on the front. I had to pound that out. You would have to do that anyways. And the first thing I had to do was shorten the hose. This hose someone replaced, and it's not the original one, and it was pushing the rad out this way, so I had to shorten it. I did that. When I went to put the fan guard on, I had to drill new holes for the fan. I noticed that this rod was tilting the rad forward, so we're gonna have to shorten that still, but once that's shortened, that will be good. And the front of my hood is dinged up, so I had to bang it out a little bit, and it was hitting here, so I kind of bent down that edge, and now everything fits really good. The rad is in, everything is good to go, so we are going to try to drive the tractor out of here